Hey everyone, welcome to Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. Now today we're going to be looking at this 2-bedroom end terrace property. We're refurbing for a client of ours in Hong Kong. So it's just had all the strip out done and it's ready for plastering. Currently at the moment there's obviously a plaster shortage due to obviously lockdown and obviously where the plasters come in. Apparently it's Europe-wide, let alone actually countrywide. But we've managed to get some plaster, which is good, so we can press on from the job. So let's have a look inside and see exactly what we're going to be doing on this property. Okay, so we're in the front room and everything's been stripped out that's needed to strip out. There's a bit of kind of damp in this property at the moment, that's all going to have to get treated. It's just underneath the stairs, so we'll have to get that sorted. We'll obviously replace this with a normal ceiling rose. Not really that nice, the actual chandelier. Might be to some people it's pleasing, but really want to keep it nice and simple. Keep our buy-to-lets very, very simple as well. There's quite a lot that actually needs doing on this property, more structural side of things. So we've got to actually change some actual RSJs across the windows because they just seem to be seizing. So those will get replaced and some block work done on that. But the main thing is this is going to get fully replastered. As you can see, we've got some plaster, which is great. We've been actually struggling to get access to this because it's just been out of stock across the country. And we're actually, when we managed to get this, we were limited to 5 bags a day. We've also got some others stuck in storage as well that we'll be using for this property. We're going to be keeping the kitchen. It just needs obviously a bit of a deep clean and revamp on some new doors. But let's go jump in the kitchen and have a look at that now. Okay, so we've taken apart some of the actual kitchen and just checked the quality of the doors. The carcasses of the kitchen is actually really, really good, as well as the countertops. So it really needs just a real deep clean in here. So we don't need to actually replace the kitchen in here, which is good news. We're putting in a brand new boiler because the old boiler was just absolutely knackered. So we've taken that out. We're going to put a new boiler in. New radiators in here as well. The good thing about it is we don't actually need a rewire on this property. It's going to be a new bathroom, decorate throughout, plaster throughout, and obviously we're going to put new heating system in here, and there's just mainly some structural work to do along the actual joists, as I said. So not the joists, the actual RSJs underneath the windows. So those will need to actually get replaced, which are getting done at the moment. We're just waiting for the scaffolding to get put up on here. Let's have a look at the bathroom and see what we've done in there. Okay, so the bathroom's been completely stripped out. We actually had to treat this because there was some spider nests behind here, so we just had to make sure put some treatment in there, so no insects or anything like that. So we had to fumigate it basically in here. So what we've done is stripped it all back to brick. We're going to be plastering in here and then also tiling the whole bathroom as well. It's going to look good. We're going to just put simply a bath over a shower. Obviously with the toilet and basin over there, toilet over there, just where the original soil stack is. So soil stack is basically just where all the waste goes from the toilet. So if you don't know exactly what that means, let's jump upstairs and have a look at the 2 bedrooms up there and have a look at those. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 1 and everything has been stripped. All the wallpaper has been stripped, which is good. What we are going to do is we're actually going to board over in the stairs. The reason why we're going to do that is that has like a type of old wallpaper, was like kind of vinyl, very, very hard to get off. And so we're kind of struggling to get that off. So what we're going to do is we're going to board over it and then we're going to skim over because the labor for it to actually, cost of labor to get that off and back to obviously the actual original plaster, it's just going to cost a lot more than actually what the would be to plasterboard the actual stairway and just skim it over. So let's make sure that we save on time so we can get this moving forward, and then obviously this all just gets skimmed, ceiling, all walls, the whole property is getting done. Let's jump in the back bedroom and let's see what's happening there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 2. This has been completely stripped out with the wallpaper. And then also what we've been able to do, well, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be skimming in here as well with obviously plaster. And then we're going to be making sure we obviously decorate the whole property, and we're going to stick to white walls, grey carpets, just like we do in all our buy-to-lets. You want to make sure that we systemize everything. It's going to save time, it's going to save energy and money. That's the important things that we need to be able to do. We want to keep our systems like a conveyor belt, okay? So like in a manufacturing kind of plant, what you want to imagine your business like is try and have it like a conveyor belt, okay? And when we have systems in place and we have everything identical, then things move a lot faster, and also you'll be able to drive costs down on with regards to where you purchase from, because you buy it in bulk rather than individual different kitchens, different types of carpets and different paints, etc. It's just a lot better to think of that, and you'll also be able to future-proof your investment because you spend your money where it matters most, which is like your rewires, your kitchens, your bathrooms, etc. Okay, so if you guys want to profit from UK property with minimal time effort, and you want to start utilizing your money in property, then certainly reach out to us at jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team to help you establish what your strategy is, long-term, short-term, and also see how we can help you profit from UK property. Our client for this property is based in Hong Kong, and he's been completely hands-off. He hasn't actually viewed the property, hasn't needed to do anything. We've simply taken care of the whole process for him. So he doesn't actually have to deal with the builders. We deal with the builders on a day-to-day basis, and he's completely hands-off, okay? So if you've got the cash to actually invest, but you certainly don't have the actual time to profit from UK property, but you certainly want to replace your income over time to redefine your retirement one property at a time, then reach out to us at jenicproperty.com. You can book in a free call with us. Otherwise, you can send me a message on either Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook at Property with Nic Clark, and we can help you out and see how we can move you forward in your property journey. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Nic Clark, helping you profit in UK property with minimal time effort, one property at a time. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in next week's Refurb Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and then also hit that notification bell to check out on the latest Refurb Wednesdays.